camera? Damn. Yeah, we are live. Cool. Ta-da! Wait, full. Yay! Ta-da! Wait, is this button the same as? Oh no, that's. Oh, well, that one's broken. The button labeled full desktop is full face cam. Working out bugs. Okay. Never know how to start these because like there's never people in the chat to be like whoop whoop. Huh. Cool. How do you pronounce this name in chat? I never know how to pronounce it.
Go with Valzu.
Valzu. Let us know if that's how you pronounce it. Should I unplug it or disassemble it whilst it's plugged in?
You've got to test it first, make sure it works, or are you going to do
It works. I hate it, but it works. The radio works, we can confirm. Now let's turn it off and take it apart. Oh, there's radio off and CD and aux. If only I had an aux cord. Do you reckon the power supply is a separate unit or? Be nice if it. Guess so. Oh, it takes double D's.
Valzu?
No, it takes.
Working on a game at the moment.
What kind of game are you working on? Also, making it or like playing it? Oh, I gained a new Patreon yesterday.
I see you're on 1,900 subscribers.
1,906. It was 7 earlier today. One prick decided to subscribe. I don't mean it. I just think it's rude. Gave me false hope. Oh, wrong camera. Give me that one. And let's zoom this one in. Dun 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 dun. What year is this radio from? I can tell you that the color is red. Wait, it's got a DC. Wait, what?
Got what, sorry?
Well, it says AC 230 volts, but then it says DC 9 volts. I'm assuming it's referring to the battery, not the it doesn't have a DC jack in. It's not gonna come apart, is it? Okay, fine, I'll take the antenna out. Would you like a pointy stick?
Would be good for showing things on your whiteboard.
No, I already had one for that, and it broke. There you go, have a pointy stick so you can point at things.
What's wrong with this pointy stick? There
You should be happy with the stick you've got.
It's not how long it is, it's what you do with it.
Exactly. Gotta play to your disadvantages. Oh, this is another electrical component that comes from my my partner's mom's house. I don't think there's much more to take apart there, but I'll probably find something else. What do I... Hold on. Can this just pop up? Flat screwdriver. Lovely. Lovely. I need the handle. Does this come with as well? No, that's more of a complicated one. Smash. It came off. Hip hip. Look at that.
Remember, it's been plugged in, so
Don't touch spicy capacitors, I know.
you only do it once.
Or so you thought. That's interesting. So the battery plus goes into the AC plus. That seems strange, does it not? These are nice screws. And I like taking apart all the stuff. You get cool screws.
Maybe it's a switch mechanism, so when you plug that in, it disconnects the batteries.
How the hell? What? Oh, it is! I was gonna plug that in, but that seems like a dumb idea. Can you get your phone?
Sure.
Yes, iPhone. Hello. So, if you look in here, can you see that? There's a little latch thing there. And when you press that down, it opens and closes the contact. That's pretty dumb and smart. That's smart dumb. That's pretty cool. I didn't think that was a thing that needed to be a thing, but I guess it's a thing. Oh, and it's got 3 connections as well. That's really cool. I didn't know that was a thing. Yeah, that works. Thank you. Yeah. Hello, Mellow. Oh. Why did I read it like that? What's up, Cloud? How you doing? How's your day been? How's your Sunday? You chillin'? Kicking back? Relaxing? Acting all cool? Shooting some b-ball outside of school? Didn't I do that joke last time?
I don't remember it. Is
feel
it
like I did.
reference?
Yeah.
Reference.
I feel like I did. Oh, I made a poll for I made a poll asking people like what the best time to stream is. And as the last option I added I don't mind, I watch it after. Most of the votes are for I don't mind, I watch it after. So, yeah.
I'll be honest, I voted for this time because this time is what works best for me.
Actually no, I think most of the votes on that poll are for this time, which does make it very nice.
But you
Yeah,
without trying.
54% voted for this thing. Sorry, what?
Cloud says, got you without trying.
I don't know what that means. Got you without trying. I don't know what he means. Do you know what he means? Cloud, explain yourself.
That's quite a janky switch that on that way, does it?
I mean, it's junky, but I guess it works. Simple, and we all know it's simple and cheap to manufacture. Capitalism loves it. Oh no. Oh god. Okay, well that's the bottom. Got a nice battery cover if I wanna cut it up the case. Dusty. Everything here is going to be full of cat fur. So we've got a transformer. Where's all the... Wait, I need that... Where's that metal brush? I'm going to do the thing we did last time. Now that I know how to... It popped, right?
It did.
Just gonna make sure I don't die on stream. As fun as it would be. Oh, oh Jesus.
You said hello, mellow, dummy. I'll give Thingy a mic. I've got a mic, I'm just not wearing it. I'll wear it for you though.
Sunsets Ion. Hello. Joined a bit. Yeah, you didn't join a bit late. We've only been up for 16 minutes. You're fine. You've not missed much. Taking apart an old radio.
What's the model of the radio?
It says at the back there. Do you want to get a close up on it with your camera?
Sure.
And I will switch over. There you go.
It's a KP0063. Imported by JD Williams and Co. Limited.
Ooh. You're off. Thank you.
KP006. Yeah, I'm gonna Google it.
He's Googling. Said thanks. You're welcome.
KP0063 is a flight from Lagos to Lome.
No, that's the radio station we connected to earlier. Ooh, we've got things. See
iPhone
that?
shot is actually cool.
It is pretty neat. You can thank Joseph for it because I would not buy the app. Okay, I'm unplugging the sensor to detect whether the lid is open or closed. I'm also unplugging the motor for the laser. And wait, can I? Yeah, no, I'm gonna try powering it whilst it's fully like disassembled on my desk. Is that a very bad idea? He hasn't said anything. It's a good idea.
I was just taken back by the fact that they've specified the colour on the label. Like,
Yeah,
why?
exactly. That seems silly. What other colours are there?
Well,
I can't think of any reason for them to specify it. Only I don't know if we could say OJ's name now. What?
Cloud didn't know if you could say my name.
Oh. Oh yeah, to be fine. I don't think I asked.
It's fine.
It's too late now.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. Take off the speakers. Yeah, I'm just gonna power this up whilst it's like this. What's this bit? What's this funky bit?
That's an inductor.
What'd it do though?
FM, AM stuff. Not FM stuff, AM stuff.
I thought that's what the antenna was for.
So from memory...
I should point out he's the actual, like, somewhat of an electrical engineer. I'm just a pretty face. And I don't think I even get that right.
One moment, please. I'm just looking at my notes from university.
I stabbed myself. I need that plaster. I'm kidding. We have plasters on standby. I stabbed myself on this stupid speaker grill. Yo, you should 3D print a car around it. No. Flathead. Come on. Oh, where's my spudgy tool? Ta-da! Ta-da!
You're powering through it quite quickly.
I am, but that's okay. It's not taking it. We still have a CD player to mess around with. We'll get that. I don't actually have any CDs. We
Might have one in my car.
we gave them all away to charity. There was like 6 Rod Stewart CDs, which would be perfect for distraction. But they did not skimp on screws for this thing, god damn.
What happened to your electric screwdriver?
My electric screwdriver works. It's more of a precision electric screwdriver, so for things like this, it's a little bit too weak. But yeah, I still have it. It works good. Oh, I should point out, for Patreon peeps, a new video will be out later today on private Discord thing. I finished editing it. I was rendering it before I went live, but it kind of didn't render in time, so I have to render it after the stream. But it should be live later today. Oh, that's the battery input. Okay, cool. Never mind. Ta-da! Okay. Well. I might need the antenna back. Actually, do I? Or can I just, like, plug it into something metal? What do you need?
I'm just looking at it.
Okay. I shall wait for it. Thank you. This is a temporary antenna holding device. There we go. Right. Right. Quick safety note. Don't do this at home. This is very dumb. Which bits should I not touch when it's live?
Are you asking me?
Yes. Can I touch this?
No.
Can I touch
But it depends how you're going to power it.
This.
Don't touch any of it.
But what about the knobs?
Carefully.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay, I will preset it onto on.
So theoretically anything beyond the transformer should be safe, but to be on the safe side, don't touch anything.
I will gently poke it with my tongue.
I would power it over 9 volts through battery input.
God damn it, why are you smart?
And then you can touch as much of it as you like.
Sorry guys, I won't die today. You can blame Joseph, DM him on Instagram. He just complains, how dare you not let him kill himself?
I shall wait for it. Can you build a helmet out of the chassis? Oh, that would be cool. How many volts did you give it?
9.
Is it current emitting?
Oh, it's because of the goop on the cables. It's not getting a great connection. Come here. Oh, wow, I just popped. Ta-da! Ant-Man cosplay. I mean, I guess. Wait, hold on. Full face. I guess I can see. So
More
it's
like a weird transformer or something, but yes.
I feel more like what's his face from Star Trek?
No idea.
Ali, what was his name? Engineer guy. Can't remember off the top of my head.
Please, Mello, make a helmet.
I did want to make. Can I make it in time? I do want to make a cosplay for Comic-Con, but I don't know if I'll be able to do it in time because Comic-Con is well, it's at the end of this month. I might be able to. It's not a difficult cosplay.
Cloud says yes, but more excited than I can say.
You want to use text to speech to make yourself sound. Use your text to speech to make yourself sound more.
Bro, that was made to be a visor.
I wouldn't say so. It's very difficult to see. Can you, like, iPhone camera? Can you point it out this thing? There. That's my view. It's not great.
Can it have 2 pointy ears?
That's Spark. Not him. The engineer. Fuck it, I'll Google it myself.
Data?
No.
See, I don't know Star Trek.
I think it was Georgie? No, might be dumb. Oh, stop. Annoying. Whoopi Goldberg. I always forget her.
That's good enough. Only she's BCI into the radio to talk telepathically.
I've realised I can't read name. But this guy. Hold on. Nope. This guy. Can't read his name. But that's who I meant. Oh, no, go away. Right. Sorry, right, what did I miss? LaForge, that's what it was. See, why didn't you say that earlier? Right.
Hopefully not enough fidelity to get a copyright strike.
No, it's transformative, man. It's like that's the edge of the reception.
Does it help if you touched it?
Bruh, if you can't tell what this song is, then I don't think we need to worry about copyright.
Excuse me, you two. Aisle 7, get a room.
Is this what people used to listen to before Spotify?
That's what people still listen to now.
What's wrong with people? Okay.
I brought up my old lab report for AM radios if you're interested.
You bought your... Oh.
Got a whole circuit diagram with an AM radio.
I mean, majority of these electronics is going to be for the DVD player, right? There's a lot of filtration here with these capacitors. Right? I'm assuming that's what they're here for. It's mostly just going to be cleaning up the signal. On the speaker amplifiers. I'm just short circuiting random shit to see what happens. That one fixed it. That one disables the speaker. Ish. Okay, so on this side we've got the speaker, and on that side we've got that speaker. This is very important information. Cloud, what's up? Please, if you can make a helmet, make it so... Make it so...
Can you power it by 12 volts? It would be lovely in an old VW Polo.
Yeah, sure.
Crank it up to 12.
volts at 0.7 amps.
What's the ratio on this?
Asking me. You don't say. Oh, shush. I mean, it still works at 12 volts. Should we see at what point it burns out? Okay. 13.
Before you continue,
14.
just in case, I would disconnect the transformer in case it goes back out the other end. Well, we might be doing that anyway.
I don't understand.
Cut those black wires there.
Yeah, but why would it go back the other end?
Because so if you power a transformer
Backwards.
it will boost it rather than reduce it. So it could be really spicy on this end.
I vote spicy. Anyone else? I vote spicy.
Spicy it is then. I'm just going to stand back.
Why would I not vote for spicy?
Maybe stick a meter on it and see how spicy it is at the moment.
I'm assuming would I put it in DC or AC?
Um,
We're no strangers to love.
I'd go DC.
That's not the right one. Electric fires are bad. My name on the channel, I choose what I do.
You want it on DC.
Gotcha. Okay. Perfect. Okay.
So you might not have anything on that connector because nothing's plugged in, but if you were to tap into the wires going to the connector,
You mean on this end?
so there shouldn't be anything on these connections inside the connector, but around the back before it goes through the janky switch.
But I don't think this actually disconnects the. No, because these go straight through. I don't think that disconnects this. I think that only disconnects or connects the battery. I don't think they're worried about backpowering this at all.
Okay. Yep.
Well, currently we're getting nothing, and we've got 10 volts in, and we're getting nothing. How sad.
Surely you should get something on those blue leads though. Power it off before you touch it though.
It is powered.
No, power it off before
Oh.
you touch anything behind there.
Should I just cut it here and connect straight to those if I just strip them?
If you want to.
Let's strip them, chat.
No, do what the smart guy says. Electrical fires are bad. Lasting evil. Electrical fires are the best, but only while disassembling.
Okay.
What's the rating on your multimeter? How high does it go?
600 volts.
Okay. Start low on your power supply.
10 volts. Nothing on the output. Right. Should I check if there's anything actually going into it? Because I have a feeling that might be a disconnected thing. Yeah, no, we ain't getting shit on there. Although it is covered in goop. So I don't know how good of a reading we're gonna get. Ah, good. I just turned it off. Oops. We are getting absolutely nothing at the input of that.
Good. That's good. Do you want to test the theory by disconnecting the transformer?
We're no strangers to. Why is Rickroll stuck in my head? Okay, so theoretically, if I put power straight into the transformer, we should see summon. That was close.
I would start at something like 3 volts.
Will it arc?
Potentially if it's high enough.
What's your favorite number? The fuck? Okay. So if I do like this,
I reckon it'll be 20:1 ratio transformer. So if you put 240 in, ish. it'll be-
240.
No, don't put 240 in. Ignore what I'm saying.
Plug it into the mains. Got it. Okay, starting off at a hose, 0 volts. I guess I plug this in, right? Okay. Let's begin. 1 volt. Oh, we're flickering on the output. Step it up to 3 volts. We're getting 0.1 on the output.
It had something. Unless it was just scaling.
5 volts. 6 volts. We've got 1. So far, these electronics are disappointing me. We are at a 2.9 amp rating though. Is it possible to have wired it backwards? More.
What are you at the moment?
10 volts. Four amps. I believe it is melting.
Yes, I can hear that. Just realised you want to do.
The cables are melting.
Yeah, it needs to be AC. I've just realised.
Wait, can I put this? Can you put the? Can you put your phone camera closer to this? I want people to listen to that sizzle. Those wires are melty. Thermal camera would have been useful.
Yeah.
Is it goopy?
Don't touch it just in case.
Oh, it's very smelly now. It's very smelly. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's go higher. 15 volts. Can you hear that?
I can see smoke.
Oh no. Oh, overcurrent protection turned on. Boo!
That smells real bad.
Boo! Bullshit. Well, that was no fun, was it? Fucking stupid overcurrent protection ruining my vibe. So how do I make big arcs? Still hot.
Microwave transformer.
I didn't take apart. I don't have them. I've not taken apart a microwave yet. We need someone with a microwave to donate. Cloud? 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 Can I have a microwave? Wait, fuck, you don't have a microwave. Fuck. I don't know anyone with a microwave. Smoke in frame. Yeah, I should open the window. It's kind of stinky in it. Oh look, I got a heatsink. I could have just put it on. It is very smelly.
Should have used the waveform generator on the oscilloscope and then tested it that way.
Tested a what? The
So-
transformer.
Create a 1 or 2 volt sine wave using the picoscope, and then it would have output a AC output.
Is it too late?
Possibly not. It might still work.
It's hot. It's hot. We can try that. We do still have a laser to play around with.
I think CD lasers are a bit weak.
I know. But it's a laser. What's a better name for these streams? Because so far I just call them disassembly streams. I feel like there's a better name for what I do. Now I can just go like full Mr. Beast mode and just like, let's see what happens when you disconnect the thingamajig. What do you think?
Your iPhone is Wi-Fi locked for streaming, right? So it's on Mellow's Wi-Fi, and it doesn't work without being on the Wi-Fi.
No, I can't look at his phone whilst he's at home. Did you switch it? Oh.
No.
Hello. It is me.
Interestingly, this app has filters.
Oh no, don't play with the filter. God damn it.
So we have black and white,
So sad.
background blur, green screen,
Oh no, don't take this out of context.
flower,
Flower? How is this a flower? Is it just like a bow effect? I don't like this one. Oh.
invert, sepia, VHS,
Ooh.
vivid,
We needed VHS when we were doing the VHS one.
elderly, toddler,
Kids these days. Oh no. I hate this one the most.
cyber me.
I did shave, so like it kind of has less of a problem dealing with my head, with my facial head, than it did last time. I'm not even facing the right way for. Oh, it broken. Oh, I look like a rat. Oh, that's very broken. It's the popo. Not for me though. Yeah, all of these just screw up when I'm looking sideways. This is what we all came here for. Not to watch me... Oh, fuck. Not to watch me disassemble things. It's to watch me with filters on. Next, in the next 2 weeks, we're doing an NPC stream.
Look at the camera.
I don't know what I'm supposed to... Oh, it's the crying one, isn't it? What did I come back to? Welcome back. We have digressed. We've blown up a transformer, and we'll be doing a an NPC stream next.
Avengers disassemble, filters, yay. VHS Loki pop in. Yo, it's actually good. WTF. Turn him into VTuber, please. Ha ha ha. What did I come back to? Anime Mallow saying it's the popo.
On the plus side, I can move these motors.
So it's still warm.
Kinda. Ta-da!
When you get set, could you pass me the picoscope, please?
Yeah. Wow. You go, monsieur. I have a feeling the laser is going to be the most underwhelming part of it. Ta-da! The screwdriver's too big. We have a motor!
It would be nice to listen to cassettes with PWM controlled speed. It's not a cassette player, that, is it?
No, just CD. It would be cool to play around with like a vinyl player. Hey Cloud, would you let me disassemble your vinyl player? Just for fun. I'll put it back together, I swear. Did you have to install the software?
Yeah.
He's on a mission to see if he can, what was it, amplify the sound wave?
Sine wave, so amplify the... so connect a sine wave to the output of the transformer.
He's gonna put a sine wave in it, which looks like this, and he's hoping to get this back. That makes sense? I think that makes sense. If not, we can illustrate on the whiteboard.
Once I've tested proof of concept, we'll do it on your PC.
So far, I'm disappointed with that transformer. I do have others. I did have others. Is this a transformer?
Looks like a relay.
This a transformer?
Yes. Or an inductor.
This a transformer?
That could be an inductor. That's a transformer.
Okay. That's all the transformers I have. I was more of a Lego kid. Ferrite gold. Can't you see that you're in a world of pure imagination?
What version of the Pico software do you have? Is it
7.
7? Okay. Because I've never used 7 and I'm looking at it thinking, where do I start?
They did change it from 6. It is actually more intuitive, I think. For starters, I have it in dark mode. By the way, if you guys haven't yet, like the stream, it does kind of help to push it out to more people. Even though there's nothing interesting happening yet. Which I think the next stream is going to be fun. I think you're going to get an option to vote for what I take apart. But it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. It will actually have danger of me shocking myself to death. Why not? Don't forget, don't subscribe for that.
What's the max of that? 20 volts. If we stick that down to there.
He's doing magic stuff. Right, so what do you do? Oh, this one's fun. This is a different kind of switch, but I like it. Can I borrow your phone? He's zoned out. Can I borrow your phone?
Yes, sorry.
I just need the other camera out. Thank you. Right, so I like these little things. These little switches here. There. So this one has a little clicky thing for when the lid closes. And it kind of clicks it. And it moves that little spring there. I like little closing mechanisms. They're pretty fun. I especially like the one on the PlayStation 1. It's very simple. My little joys in life. That one. Thank you.
Welcome. I think we might have cooked the transformer.
Woohoo! I cooked something! I got one thing of those things too. What? I got one of those things too. Oh, the button. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, how was your projector thing? I didn't get to watch your stream. Well, I kind of came in for a second, and then I had to continue doing what I was doing. Ta-da! Oh, the PlayStation also has one of these soft closing thingies. This one's very greasy and full of fur. No, thank you. I did it. It brokey. It not brokey. I don't have a CD to spin on this motor.
Couldn't go get one.
It would have to be sacrificial, so no.
I might have a step CD or something.
So I'll see if this fits.
Yeah,
It's probably too big.
I think that transformer's dead.
Oh, do you want to try this little one? Might be a
Yep,
bit more of a
maybe.
challenge.
Turn that off. Thank you.
That you're in a world of pure imagination.
You could unwind it. Unwind a new one. Or you can unwind it and see why it's not working. My guess is the insulation on the windings
too
has
big.
fused, melted.
I mean, we
unfused
did
wires.
cook it for a really long time. So it's probably just burned through the insulation.
What's this from?
No idea. Does it matter? I have no idea. Oh, that's a big message.
It would be awesome if you could disassemble one of those TVs with integrated VHS player like the ones that they wanted to steal in the Fast and the Furious.
Which Fast and Furious movie was that? I've not seen the last 5 Fast and Furiouses. Wait, they're on X now, right? It was FS, The last one I saw was the one who put the first one. I do not remember it. But if I can find one, sure, I'll take it apart. I'll take anything apart. Apart from bodies. I don't do biology. I'm not saying I wouldn't give it a go. Just saying I wouldn't enjoy it. My average viewer duration is 9 minutes. Yeah, that's about as long as I can keep people watching my videos too, so seems like ow, poked a hole in myself. Okay, well I'm keeping this one because I like this one. I'll keep this one just because I feel bad for it. Motor, I will keep in the motor jar. Motor jar. Sacrifice. Sacrifice 2. Beautiful. The motor sacrifice has been made. Speakers. I kind of want to keep the speakers. I have a couple things I could use them for. We'll see. Knobs. I don't think I need knobs. How's it going?
Yeah, this one definitely works, I think. That's something. Trying to get the pin out of it.
There's that. Ta-da! I don't need that bit. Yep. Ferrite cool, always a nice to have. How long have we been up for? Oh, over an hour. Okay. Don't need that bit. Don't need that bit.
Are there any nice projects for small motors? I have so many laying around.
Nice project for small motors. I mean, there's a whole bunch you can do with them, but it's... If you just want to do it to get rid of motors, you can like make a little boat, make a little car, make a little plane that flies in one direction. But I don't know, not off the top of my head, I can't think of anything too interesting. Ask ChatGPT. Actually, wait. Hey Siri. No, wait, no, you're dumb. Never mind. Sorry. I regret even suggesting the idea of asking Siri. She is dumb as can be. She has somehow gotten worse than Bing. Well done, Apple. Let me try ChatGPT. I need ideas to use small motors. It's thinking real hard.
Voice certainly. Here are some project ideas for using small motors. 1. Mini electric fan. Create a portable fan using a small motor to rotate the blades. 2. Artbot. Make a robot that holds a marker or paintbrush to create art as it moves across paper. 3. Automated plant waterer. Design a system that uses a motor to move a watering arm to water plants. 4.
a bit of a
Motorized
jump.
Toy car. Build a small motor-powered toy car or retrofit a non-motorized one. 5. Automatic door opener. Create a simple automatic door opening mechanism for a pet cage or small door. 6. Vibration bot. Attach a weight to the motor to make a small robot that moves by vibration. 7. Motorized pinwheel. Light up an LED by using a motor as a generator.
The complexion of these projects goes from like really easy, really easy, really easy. A motorized arm to automate watering flowers. Do that one. The last one is automated blinds. Design automated blinds. AI. I love it. It's dumb and smart at the same time. How's it going? Not working?
There's either it's a one-to-one transformer or I'm doing something wrong.
So what's the point of a one-to-one transformer?
Isolation of sorts.
So you put in 5 volts, you get 5 volts. I was just gonna ask if you put your mic away. I don't think I'm gonna get much use out of this laser. Anytime. I will ask ChatGPT any question you want. Actually, sure. Fire off questions for me to ask ChatGPT. Will this end in a terrible idea? Probably. Did you guys see Jabril's latest video? He made the Shark Tank automated episodes thing. That's pretty good. Oh, this is the lens mover. Ooh, can I make the lens mover move the lenses? Ooh, let's find out if I'm smart. Probably not. That's what my teachers said. Okay. Ah! I was scared. It do. Make it wiggle. Okay. I can make it wiggle. I will require your close-up camera. For I am the god of the wiggler. Okay. Okay, we switched over already. Right, we're looking down here. So this thing will wiggle when I apply voltage. It wiggles a very, very tiny amount. Let me increase the voltage, it should wiggle some more. See, it wiggles. Wiggle the other way. No, just that way. Ah, that's the front and back wiggle. Ooh. Man, we live in exciting times. Can do this side wiggle. Wait, if I flip around. Other side wiggle. Front to back. To forward wiggle. We live in amazing times. We can make it wiggle. This is what everybody's here to see. Look at it wiggle. I'm happy. Made it wiggle. Yeah, wiggle, wiggle. That's the spirit. Permanent magnets are nice. Have you seen the reviews of the new iPhone? Oh. It overheats and the back glass breaks really easily. So they've made nothing to make it better.
It'd be interesting to see if you shone light through one side of it when you wiggled it, how it moved.
I do have a laser pointer.
I was just thinking maybe your phone torch or something. Or any LED.
Laser pointer. Big message, can't read.
At ChatGPT, what can I eat for dinner with the following ingredients? Banana, furry cheese, cooked transformer, and hate.
Do you want to look that one up on ChatGPT?
Do we want GPT 3.5 or GPT 4?
4. We want to give him the best answer.
It seems you've given me quite a unique and whimsical list of ingredients. It's important to note that some of these ingredients, it's done air quotes, ingredients, might not be real or edible, like cooked transformer and hate. However, I'll provide a fun and imaginative recipe using the banana and furry cheese, assuming the cheese is just mouldy or aged and not something inedible or unsafe. Always be sure to only eat safe and edible Always be sure to only eat safe and edible ingredients. Banana cheese delight. Ingredients: 1 banana. Small portion of furry cheese. Use only if it's safe, like blue cheese or brie with a rind. If it's mouldy from improper storage, discard the cheese. Procedure. Preparation. If the cheese has any unsafe mould, discard it. But if it's a type of cheese that's supposed to be furry, like blue cheese or brie, then you're good to go. Banana slices. Peel the banana and cut it into slices. Cheese slices. Cut small slices or crumble the cheese. Assemble. On a plate, lay out the banana slices and top each side with a small piece of cheese. Serve. You can eat them as they are or drizzle them with a little honey or caramel sauce for added sweetness.
Well, I hope that answers your question.
Oh, it's not finished there.
Oh, okay, never mind.
For the cooked transformer, it sounds like a fun toy or fictional ingredient, and hate is not something we want in any recipe. Let's always aim for dishes full of love and joy. If you're looking for a serious suggestion based on actual ingredients, please let me know.
I'm sorry, if we can have love as an ingredient, we can have hate.
Would you like for me to follow up with the ChatGPT request?
Yeah, why not?
Well, I will say I am so grateful and see what it says. You're very welcome. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Enjoy your imaginative culinary adventures and always prioritise safety and good taste.
At no point did it say wash your hands.
But it did tell you to use a plate. Don't eat it off of
It
a
didn't say it
shoe
doesn't
or-
have to be a broken plate. I don't have a way to power the LED, well, laser, without, because I need this to actually make it wiggle. Unless I use something else to make it
How
wiggle
many
and just.
volts do you need?
Well, it worked fine with like 1 volt.
Let me just check if the picoscope can do a
Output
voltage.
it.
Yeah, just a simple DC thing.
I mean, I can probably find my way around it. I just, you know.
What are you using to? How many volts are you powering the wiggle with?
It worked fine with like 1 or 2.
Mm.
So I could just use a battery. Let's see. I've got some batteries.
I can do up to 2 volts on the picoscope. But battery might just be safer.
Yeah, it's just I don't have anything to connect the battery together.
Love and joy.
Huh?
Love and joy. Do you have any of that?
Unfortunately, no. I sold it all for my YouTube fame. It was not a good deal. Okay, we're gonna do it the dumbest way I can think of doing it.
12 volts.
We're gonna do it with 12 volts going into the Arduino Uno, out of which I'm gonna take the 3.3 volt output. I am the modern day MacGyver.
Why not power it over USB?
Shut up with your smart ideas. Okay. Will it wiggle? No, because there's no power connection. Okie dokie. Will it wiggle?
Do I need my safety squints for that laser?
It wiggle. Yes. But Mellow Labs does not provide PPE. Your safety is your own. Come on. Safety is your own priority. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. So that's what your CD reader is doing when you're trying to read a CD. Isn't that fun? Are we actually getting it? I've actually never. Oh. I accidentally pressed on the electrical screwdriver. This is fun. Thank you all for joining us today. I never thought I'd make a laser wiggle. I got you. Never thought I'd make a laser wiggle. That would be an awesome feature on the anime.
Why have you got a steak?
In case you turn out to be a vampire.
Cool.
No, you can never be too safe. You've got rich people swapping their blood. You can never trust.
Surely the sunlight would have done me in on the way here.
I don't know, your car might be UV protective. They probably figured out some kind of gel.
Wouldn't that just be sun cream?
Well, no, because that... I mean... Oh, let's not get into it. It's a complicated topic. But yeah, theoretically it would just be sunscreen, but you'd have to get like every single inch of you. Or you'd sparkle like Edward.
Is it UV that vampires don't like, or is it just sunlight in general?
I don't think they ever... Well, at least... from my knowledge, I don't think they ever discussed it. At least not in anything that I ever watched. Hey Siri, what sunlight are vampires allergic to?
Here's an answer from MythologyNet. They are known to have an almost allergic reaction to sunlight, which often proves to be fatal.
Does that answer your question?
No.
Well that's Siri for you. Maybe ask ChatGPT. Yeah, I think we'll be done for today mostly. Gonna just do a little cleanup, save the screws.
On the other side of the PCB.
Huh?
What's
Just stuff. Just stuff that doesn't seem too interesting. I have a feeling the that printer live stream is going to be like a couple hours long. We might want to start that one earlier.
That's a nice chunky switch there.
You can have it.
Don't need it.
If you really want it, you can have it.
Surely that three-way switch is going to be useful for you. Sure we can find a use for it.
I have three-way switches. I have nicer three-way switches. I have... I have these three-way switches, two-way switches.
Okay, fair enough.
The nicer flickery one. Yeah. Can add that to my drawer of weird switches. We could have made the hard drive read head wiggle as well, but I feel like that would have been too tiny to see. I can show you the world by showing you Google Maps. Yeah, just buttons. Yeah, not really too interesting, is it?
Where's the CD mechanism gone?
Oh well, that was kind of it. It was just two motors and that.
Fair enough, I was busy messing with this.
Was a what? Oh yeah. Well, that was a bit poopy. Anywho, thank you all for coming along. Oh, there's a chat I can't read.
At which point did you decide to get a fire extinguisher?
That was when we moved into this apartment. The deal was I can make I could do slightly more dangerous things as long as we have a fire extinguisher. That was so yeah, we moved in here September 2021, which was just around the time when I was starting to take YouTube a bit more seriously, but I was also doing some slightly more interesting things. And yeah, the deal was get a fire extinguisher so you don't burn it down and you can do stuff. So I was, with the fire extinguisher, I was allowed to have one of these. I plan to get a bigger one, but I need to get a bigger fire extinguisher. I don't keep myself safe. People around me keep me safe. Because I'm dumb. Oh, I wish I would have recorded childhood me playing around with electronics. Everything sparkled. The amount of magic smoke I released into the atmosphere. Woo! Right. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be back. Well, live stream in 2 weeks. New video next week. It's finished. It's on Patreon if you want to watch it early. It will be on Patreon after I export it and put it up there, but it will be there later today. That is a Mellow Labs promise. Yeah. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you, well, next episode.